Welcome back to the CSC Garage. I'm Matt, and today we're going to look at the SG250, the stock mirrors, how you can adjust those, and how you could replace those with bar end mirrors. We're only going to be using a few tools. We've got a 5mm Allen, 6mm Allen, and a number 2 Phillips bit screwdriver. So let's get started. As you may already know, the mirror is adjustable. It pivots here, swivels here. There are 2 rubber covers that can be removed. One is the top rubber and then the smaller bottom. Pivot motion on the arm of the mirror can be adjusted with a 5mm Allen. By tightening it up, you won't get rid of all the vibration, but it does, if you find the riding position right, it does hold things more firmly. To loosen it, simply turn back and it allows it to change positions. The side angle adjustment comes from this larger 6mm Allen. So you can swivel your mirror to the exact riding position you want, or you could remove the mirror. Today we're going to be mounting bar end mirrors, so we're going to remove the stock mirror just like that. So the first thing we'll do to remove the bar end is take our number 2 Phillips and unscrew the mounting hardware. We want to be sure to hang on to that screw because we're going to reuse it on the new mirror. You can see there's an insert inside the bar that's threaded that this bolt matches to. So we've got the bar end weight, the mounting hardware. This is the hardware that comes with the aftermarket mirror. It's an expansion adjuster. So if you were to pull this cap off, there's an Allen bolt. As it tightens up, it pulls this in and expands inside of a bar. This bar has the threads in it, so we're going to utilize those. So we don't need this mounting hardware. We will keep the washer. What we're going to do is use the original bar end weight hardware with the washer, put it through, and kind of as a pro tip, be sure to use blue Loctite on the threads to help maintain a secure torque. Now, if you're using a different set of handlebars, for example, our scrambler bar kit, there aren't any threads or an insert in the bar end, and the hardware that comes with this aftermarket mirror would work. But because we have this insert, we're going to use it. We've got the stock screw. I'm going to tighten that up and then put the cap in. And we still have some movement, which can be firmed up with the adjusting screw on the mirror to find that angle for the best view. This is the non-throttle side. Let's take a look at the throttle side because you might need to space out the mirror slightly. The throttle side is going to take a slightly different approach because if we mount the mirror flush with the throttle grip, it gets hung up and you'll have a sticky throttle. So what we're going to do is utilize the piece that came with the mirror kit. We're going to use the stock bolt, the washer from the kit, put it in, and then we're going to slide this little spacer over. And you can test for free movement of the throttle. What you want to make sure is you have that snap back. Now we'll put a little Loctite on it to secure it. One other way that you can create the clearance needed for the throttle grip, if you're not using a spacer, you can simply cut the throttle edge off just below the length of the bar, and you still have that snap back ability. Thanks for joining us again at the CSC Garage. And remember, if you need any aftermarket parts for your SG250, be sure to check us out at cscmotorcycles.com. And as always, enjoy the ride.